everyone. Welcome back to the show. Yet again, we have got one more interesting personality with us. This one is a choice given by all of you based on the mails and the personal calls and the WhatsApp messages which I've got. And popular choice. So he had to be here. Surprising part is that I was already speaking to him. He had already confirmed, but just to tell, he is one of those who was asked to be on the show also based on the views which we got and the reviews which we got. So here we have a very dashing and handsome Avnish Singh Visain, CEO InCraft India. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thanks, Karan. Thanks for such a nice word, and thanks for bringing me to such a personal platform during this pandemic when everybody is under too much stress. Thank you. Thanks once again, and thanks for all the viewers who have sent a request to you for bringing me to the show.
Well, yes, that was the idea. The idea was to kind of get people from our industry and let the personal side come out. So that's what we're going to try and do that with you as well today. So you're a Rajput. Do you have all those things, what it takes to be a Rajput? वो राजपूत वाला पूरा राजपूताना आप में भी है क्या?
Yes, Karan. I'm a Rajput. I'm proud to be a Rajput. और जो राजपूतों की टसन है ना, वो है. वो आपको दिखती भी होगी हमारे एक्शंस में.
आप में ठाकुर वाला रॉब तो दिखता है कहीं ना कहीं, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. रुतबा राजपूत वाला दिखता है. मेरे को हमेशा से फैसिनेशन था राजपूतों का, for sure. I'm glad I know someone like you who's also Rajput.
Thank you.
So let's talk about your journey in DCJ Group, where you are. For other people, InCraft is part of DCJ Group in India. So sir, tell us a little more. How long has it been for you in DCJ Group?
See, Karan, I joined the DCJ Group around a decade back in June 2010. Right, and if you see for the DCJ Group journey, I will not take too much time. DCJ means our honor, Mr. DC Jain, which is the name of our honorable chairman. And he started this group in 1961 from scratch. He was a self-made man. उनके लिए एक बात बोलूं, जो एक कहावत है ना कि साहस से डर को भी डर लगता है, he has proved it. And starting from scratch, very proudly I can say that he has made an empire of where more than 20 manufacturing units across the India with different verticals. And if you talk my journey with the DCJ Group, then during my initial days, I was responsible for the supply chain and commercial operations. Even I got a very good opportunity to set up our first manufacturing plant for the glass processing unit in the South India. Then I handled different verticals like project head, product management, customer support. And finally, the family board has decided to put the responsibility of the complete InCraft India on my shoulders in August 2018. And from the past 20 months, it's a very proud matter for me, and it's a privilege for me to lead such a winning team of InCraft.
Nice. So 10 years is a long time. And as you rightly said, you've handled various roles in the organization, and the last one being InCraft, where you are, and that's how we know you at least better. खाली जो आपने चीजें कहीं बताई, और इससे पहले मैंने अपनी रिसर्च भी करी थी और आपसे पर्सनल इंटरेक्शन में मैंने जो समझा है, कहीं दिमाग में ज़हन में वो बात आती है. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, if I have to ask you, Avnish Singh, what is one animal you can relate to, which one would it be in terms of the professional life?
I think, Karan, we both know each other from the past 6 to 7 years, right? Absolutely. And we exchange a lot of messages also on the WhatsApp. Sure. Then you must have seen my DP on the WhatsApp. That is a lion, right? And why lion? Because I have mentioned one thing there, that I am fighting since I was a child. I'm not a survivor, I'm a warrior. And the answer of your question is here only. The animal which I like most is the lion.
Acha, okay. So I didn't know the story behind the lion DP actually. I thought pasand hai, theek hai bhai, har ek ke shauq hote hain. But I didn't know this story behind it. मेरे दिमाग में थोड़ा अलग ख्याल है. I look at you as a घोड़ा, लंबी रेस का घोड़ा, और जो थक ही नहीं रहा, लगा हुआ है, and probably your journey kind of says it all actually.
आप जैसे लोग थकने कहाँ देते हैं?
सर, थकने का तो मौका आप हमें भी नहीं देते हैं, वो बात अलग है. But आप मेरे लिए हमेशा लंबी रेस के घोड़े ही रहोगे, और पैसा मैं इसी घोड़े पे ही लगाऊंगा हमेशा.
Good to hear this.
So let's talk a little more about InCraft India. InCraft has seen its own ups and downs in India. And the ups have been great, the downs have equally been very bad. You joined InCraft at a very tough time. what were the initial challenges for you, or what were if there were any apprehensions for you to go ahead, take this role of being the CEO of Incraft India?
Look, Karan, here basically the first important part was that Incraft acceptability was very well there in the market. Incraft product range, Incraft product quality, and the services. Only the problem was that somehow the trust was missing in the market. And secondly, the team were there. Basically, the team was having a great skill, but somehow they have lost the will. I have not did any miracle. Just I met with all the partners. Just what we developed the heart-to-heart relationship with the partners in a very speedy manner, and provided a confidence to the team so that they should feel secure to do the mistake. That's what we did, nothing else.
One of the things which I have noticed is that you have managed to get a lot of old Incraft customers, channel partners back to the team now, back to current channel partners again. क्या किया ऐसा, कोई छल कपट, कोई जादू की झप्पी, क्या गोली क्या खिलाई है जो वापस लोगों को ले आए?
छल कपट तो कभी नहीं किया, दिल से दिल का रिश्ता था. Firstly, none of our partners, they have never left Incraft. They were so loyal to the Incraft. It was the Incraft who were not able to come to the expectation and also the marks to them. And what I did, just as I said you earlier also, we had developed the heart-to-heart relationship in a very speedy manner. Or dusra sir, Incraft is a family which involves all the stakeholders like the partners, customer and suppliers like you. और जो फैमिली घर के लोग तो घर वापस आते ही हैं, बस वही किया और कुछ नहीं किया हूं सर.
घर वापसी जरूर करवाइए आपने भी, उसमें भी कोई डाउट नहीं है. And for all the reasons, you're right, product has always been great. It just somewhere the policies and somewhere probably things just went all over the place. But things are looking back again and looking for good, for sure, no doubt on that part. So you're someone who's from Gorakhpur, a small town, a small district in eastern part of UP, and made it so big. I mean, it's sounds like a new thing which is picked up in India of small town guys making it very big. You must be really proud of this entire journey of yours.
Yeah, no doubt. I feel proud that I am the son of the Gorakhpur Mitti, right? I feel so much proud by belonging there, because all my culture, all my principles are from there only. Sir, जानते हो ना, मिट्टी की पकड़ बड़ी मजबूत होती है, and that's what, एक मिट्टी का आदमी हूँ मैं.
मिट्टी का आदमी है, no doubt on that part. Probably that's the reason why, for the kind of connect you manage to develop with people above you, below you, or your contemporaries, with everyone. The kind of connect which you have can only come from a guy who's come from a very humble background. But there would have to be more reasons behind it. It's probably about dreaming big also. कहीं ना कहीं वरना होता है छोटी चीजों में, मस्ती में आदमी खुश हो जाता है. सपने बड़े देखा होगा कहीं ना कहीं. So are you a big dreamer? Will that be right thing to say?
Yes, Karan. I'm a very big dreamer, because the one thing which keeps me challenging always are my dreams. Because what I believe, dreams of the future are always better than the history of past. सपने देखना सीखो सर. सपने देखना शुरू कर दोगे ना, तो उसी डायरेक्शन में काम करके उसको प्रूव भी कर दोगे. और that's what we did.
इंटरेस्टिंग. सपने देखा करो, पूरे तो हो ही जाएंगे. मैंने तो भैया क्या क्या सपने देखे थे, अब आधे अधूरे चल रहे हैं अभी तो फिलहाल. जब पूरे
करो तो हो जाएंगे.
But kind of agree with you, and it's about pushing your boundaries. And I think somewhere the big town guys at times take things for granted, which at times other people don't, and that's probably a lot of learning, and one should work on in that regard. So another aspect which I probably would want to touch upon is the way I've seen you speaking at various occasions, my interactions with you, the positivity with which you speak, the way you use words, everything. कुछ झलक दिखती है उन चीजों में. शायर की है, या एक energetic person की बात करूं, या एक poet की बात करूं. Which one will you prefer?
Karan, the first here, before your answer, my question with you is: are you an astrologer? Are you have some like of a technique to do the face reading? कुछ तो है. Yes, means doing the poetry and writing the poem is my hobby, starting from my school days. But still, whenever I find the time, मौका नहीं छोड़ता हूँ कभी मैं.
Interesting. तो कुछ हमें भी सुना दीजिए अपनी कविताओं के बारे में. कुछ हम भी देखें कितना दम है इस कविताओं में.
Just the 2 lines for the current situation, basically for is very suitable for our country. उनकी हर रात गुजरती है दिवाली की तरह, उनकी हर रात गुजरती है दिवाली की तरह, हमने एक दीप जला दिया तो बुरा मान गए.
Some message being thrown out there for all the people out there. Well, he will not miss out on an opportunity to pull your leg or put you up or put you down at the same time. That's Avnish Singh at his best. ठाकरों का रौब तो दिखता ही है भैया.
यहाँ हमने आपको कहा अपनी कंट्री के लिए, राइट? यू डोंट टेक इट एज अदरवाइज.
For sure. The disclaimer coming in there for all of you guys. गोरखपुर से कभी कभी, अब भैया आप पॉपुलर तो हो ही गए होंगे गोरखपुर में, सो आर देयर टाइम्स व्हेन यू गेट सिफारिश कि भैया हमारे बेटे की, हमारे भाई की, हमारे पिताजी की नौकरी लगा दीजिए, because you would have become a celebrity and everyone will be looking up to you, of when everyone while looks up to you but also has a lot of expectation from you in terms of helping them out also.
First thing, there are the more people even who has reached to the much higher heights, right? And being as a part son of the Gorakhpur, what I am trying to do so that with my actions let them feel proud, because गोरखपुर के लिए एक बात कही जाती है कि गोरखपुर की धरती वो शहीदों की शान है, बाबा गुरु गोरखनाथ की नगरी महान है, बहुत लोग वहां से पैदा हुए हैं, right? And now coming to the point what you said, yes, certainly I'm getting a lot of requests from the people, right, for their job and to helping them even in terms of the business also. But you know, when I sit on my chair, always I do a very much justice, and I'm a man of the principle. If the candidate is a deserving candidate, if I need a person, then certainly some deserving candidate needs to be there. And if suppose he is not suitable, then what I do? And the second thing, I'm a very blunt person. I used to hit anyone below the belt. एक बार ना हकीकत दिखानी जरूरी है. Don't become a बैसाखी for anyone, man. Tell him. और दूसरा, अगर एक इंसान के अंदर जज्बा है ना, if he काबिलियत है ना, he will find his own way. There are the lot many people who are looking for the good people.
काबिलियत है तो आदमी पहुंचेगा. I kind of agree on that part, and कहीं ना कहीं आप में भी तो दिख ही रहा है, काबिलियत ही आदमी पहुंच गया, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ और कहाँ पहुंचा हुआ है says a lot, and no one will be able to stop a person who's doing his job at his best. So another thing which I probably want to dwell upon is, are you someone who's very spiritual by nature or a big believer in God? कहीं कहीं चीजों में दिखता वो भी पार्ट है आप में कहीं ना कहीं. Is that true?
Yeah. Yes, Karan. I'm a very spiritual man. I'm a very strong follower of Lord Shiva, because the three things which I believe a lot. The first thing is do your best, prepare for the worst. And second thing, the line which had been written by Tulsidas in the Ramcharitmanas, that वही है वही जो राम रचि राखा को कहीं तर्क बढ़ावो शाखा. And third one is then whatever we have learned from society, we have to give back to the society. That's what.
Spiritual by nature, follower of Lord Shiva. कहीं ना कहीं अग्रेशन और जोश भी वहीं से ही आ रहा है. ये एनर्जी का भी क्या राज है? Like how do you keep it up and about always? If I call you for a small thing, sir, let's do something like this. Yeah, I'm asking you about generally how the company is doing, or even in these lockdown times also, कुछ ना कुछ नया learning लेके निकल रहा हो तो call के बाद, and the energy level is so like yes. How do you manage that part?
Because you know, I love my working. I enjoy my working, right? And the things, you know, the spiritual things and this our traditions, right? It always keeps us means our metabolism so high that always the energy level should be up. And also we should be always create a very positive aura, right? Sir, this is our CPU. This needs to be free with all of the lot of the things are there, right?
Is that the reason why you manage to kind of attract so much in terms of people as well? People keep coming to you, and probably people like to talk to you also all the time.
This I don't know, right? But basically always what I try to do, I tried my level best to be available with the people and always to give the right and honest the things for them, right?
But let's talk about more interesting part. I hear your marriage, wedding was also very interesting, and पूरा आपके स्टाइल में वो भी थोड़ा पटाखे वाली चीजें हुई थी. थोड़ा बताइए, how did that happen for you? Please tell us about that.
Yes, the story is very interesting because even I was not knowing that I am going to marry a girl of a family where I used to go from the past 6 years. Even my brother-in-law, he was a very close friend of mine. Or the most important thing is that, you know, even at the day of the during ring ceremony, then only I met with my wife. और 2006 में I think when the first time this proposal has came to me, then I said नहीं यार दीपक की sister से शादी नहीं हो सकता है. But again you know हुई है वही जो राम रचि राखा. At the day of my ring ceremony day only I met, oh, this is the girl to whom I'm going to marry. That's what.
Okay, I didn't know that part. I only knew your friend story when I did my research. I didn't know you met ma'am for the first time at the time of engagement itself. Well, as long as it all ends well, it's all good. Rather, begins well, it's all good. तो आपने ये सारा तो बता दिया कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली की वजह से आप पहली बार उस टाइम पे मिलोगे, आई एम अज्यूमिंग, बट इतना कंजर्वेटिव नेचर भी नहीं था आपका फॉर श्योर. हमने अपने कोई तहकीकात करी, हमने ऑडिट करा तो पता चला 15-15 हजार के फोन के बिल भी आए थे. ये क्या था?
सर पहले ये बता दो तहकीकात किए कहाँ से हो आप? I want to know that channel first.
सर कुछ रिसर्च तो हम भी करते हैं, ऐसे कच्चे खिलाड़ी हम भी नहीं है.
नहीं कच्चे खिलाड़ी तो कभी नहीं हो. द डे वन जब पहली बार मिला था तभी समझ गया था कि फ्रॉम सामार टू द पेगो हाउ यू मेट दिस. Yes, because you know at that time basically I got means there was a time 1 year's time from my engagement date to my marriage, right? And just to know each other better, there was the only two things. The professional thing was just to do the work, and the personal front one after coming to the office just talk over phone. And still I remember I was there at that time in the IBM Pondicherry, and I was paying a bill of same amount what you said at the reception, and my HR lead Deepa, she came to me and she asked, "Hey Avnish, are you paying for the whole department?" I said, No. Then she said, "Oh my God, how can I forget that you are still enjoying the roaming period? And still I am roaming."
You still are roaming after how many years of marriage?
12 years.
Not bad. And you're doing a fab job, I'm sure about that part. Now, I'm going to ask you something, and you need to tell me whether you take it as a compliment or take it as a criticism. You're out there always interacting with people, but your interaction is mostly with the supply chain people. You interact with people, all the suppliers, you interact a lot with your channel partners, the customers, so on and so forth. Why doesn't Avnish Singh interact a lot with his contemporaries, with his competitors?
See, Karan, as far as you see, interacting with our industry colleagues, right? Because I never use the word like the competitor. No, yeah, everybody is the industry colleague. For me, we are from the same fraternity. Let's not use the word competitor, right? And to work with the industry friends, there is a common platform which is called Uduma, right? And I was there, I am there, and I will be there. Whenever there is a need, always I am there for the Uduma. And if you talk the company like InCraft, from the inception, we are there. And what I believe, even my team can contribute much better than me. That's why always my team is there. And whenever there is need, I am there. And as far as my supply partners and customers are there, they are just like right hand and the left hand for me.
Well, you've really made them left hand and right hand, because as a associate member of this entire fraternity, working very closely with profile company like yours also, I've seen it so easy to approach you for small things also, and you really don't mind speaking out even at that time, even if it's late at night, and probably contributing your views and probably contributing to the entire discussion which is going through in my mind, or I'm sure that's true for other people as well. So thank you for that. But हम ऐसे तो जाने नहीं देंगे, हम फिर भी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, what is probably the biggest criticism you would have heard about yourself since you became CEO at InCraft India?
See, Karan, the first thing, I'm least bothered about the criticism, because just I'm focused only for my goal. And when you are focused on the goal, you will not bother about any criticism. एक वो गाना है ना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों को, कहीं बीत न जाए रहना, जो है नाम वाला वही तो बदनाम है, उनको अपना काम करने दो, हम अपना करेंगे.
आप अपना काम कर रहे हो और बहुत सही कर रहे हो, clearly, and that's probably what worries a lot of other people in the industry for sure. तो मैं आपके ऊपर थोड़ा criticism डालता हूँ, and give me your honest answer on that part. I feel somewhere Avnish Singh Visain is self-obsessed. He has his own website. He has his own LinkedIn page. LinkedIn is very obvious, but Facebook page, website, what does it say?
Karan, see, if you want to do the change, right, the change, it has to start from you, correct? And here, we, like everyone, as I used to say that each and every InCraft team member is a brand ambassador for InCraft, right? Then the same thing applicable for me as well, right? And that's what is the things why even not only for the page will be there and the website will be there for each and every of my team members. That's what the answer of your question is.
MDH के चाचा जी हैं ये पक्की बात है. But that's true. I think it's a different way of going about things, and it's actually true. You somewhere InCraft gets associated with you, and you get associated with InCraft, and one becomes the same. So that's great. The second point, probably I'm going to ask you, or the second question I would want to ask you is your role in Udma. I see your participation being a little more limited when it comes to Udma. You're always available, no doubt. If there is a webinar, if there are other places where your participation is required, you will be there. But otherwise, we don't see a lot of Avnish at Udma. Why is that?
Already I had answered you, I think, just before your, previous questions, right? Whenever there is need, always I am there. Or else, you see, from the inception of the Udma, InCraft was always involved, right? Whether it's the technical manual forming or it's any type of the support. And still my team is there in all the thing, in all, whatever the actions is needed for the Udma. And what I believe my team can contribute much better than me. Like everywhere you can't present Karan, right? But your team is always there. That's what. And you know, each and every team member of InCraft is having the same brand ambassador, what Avnish is.
I think that's probably what you do with your team really well, is you give them too much of freedom. You let them make the mistakes as well. And probably they feel more they feel they have more authority of going about things, which is in a way a great thing. And if I ask you, what is Avnish doing right with his team, which is working out so well for him? क्या ऐसी स्पेशल थ्योरी है या फॉर्मूला है इनके पास जो ये कर रहे हैं खाली और जो बाकी सारे पीछे छूट रहे हैं इसमें?
Really, I don't know what others are doing, right? But what I do and what I believe, just empowering the team, right? And also to provide a safe platform to them so that let them feel safe to do the mistake. And here I'm representing a group of the good people. That's
well, those good people have been made good by you also. So, and you're giving them the wings to fly, which no one can deny that. Somewhere probably it says a lot, because as I said, I'm again and again talking about your people skill, is because that's one big thing which is there with you. Suppliers, customers, team members, social life भी है या नहीं है?
I think sir, social life के बारे में आपको तो नहीं पूछना चाहिए, क्योंकि 6-7 साल से आप मेरे टच में हो. I am a very social man. And what I believe, this my social networking and this my PR is my main strength, which I feel, and always I try to be available with all my the people, not only my business partners, my personal friends, my college friends, school friends, and always I try my level best to do the time for them to the maximum possible extent, which I am able to find now.
When I did my little bit research, I also realized you found a new friend in PM of Bhutan as well. How did that happen?
Great, Karan. Literally, after this show, I need to talk to you from where you gathered all this information. Right, correctly, because the people should approach you, yeah, for the candidate, their background verification.
Well, in these situations, probably that could be a new vertical which I can start also. You never know.
Yeah, see, everywhere, right? Everywhere we can find out one opportunity. That's not good. As far as the Bhutan PM is concerned, see, it's a matter of great pride and honor for me to had a very strategic business dinner in the month of December 2019 along with the CDCL Bhutan CEO. And I feel privileged after meeting with a person who is so humble, so knowledgeable, and a patriotic person. And that's it.
Patriotic में तो आपका भी नंबर अव्वल नंबर आता है हमेशा. If anyone of you follows him on LinkedIn, you will see it's always about our country, passion so much about country. ये कर लेते हैं, वो कर लेते हैं, जय हिंद, जय भारत माँ. Like you really wear your heart on your sleeve, and like there is a lot of patriotism and the real one being there. Is that true for you? ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही है ज़बरदस्ती दिखाने के लिए.
I think already you have answered your question by putting the answer itself, or by putting the question itself, right? See, yes, no doubt. And you know, we all Indians are the by-born patriotic, right? And basically you said being as a Rajput, no doubt, I mean, for me, the nation comes first. जननी जन्म भूमि से बढ़ के कुछ नहीं है सर. If the country is there, then we are there. And as I said you, whatever we have learned from the society, we have give back to the society, right? Then, no doubt, everywhere, हिंद की जय थी, हिंद की जय है और हिंद की जय रहेगी. और जब निकलते हैं जय हिंद बोल के तो हिंद की जय करके ही आते हैं.
अब आपने कहा इट्स गिविंग बैक टू द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो. अब बाकी सबको छोड़ो, पहले मुझे कुछ दे दो. मुझे ये राज बता दो आप सबसे पहले, अवार्ड्स कहाँ से लाते हो? आई आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन टू मारियो ऑल्सो, लाइक सेम अप्लाइज टू यू एज वेल. हाउ डू यू बाय अवार्ड्स? असली का राज बताओ. इफ लाइक हाउ डू यू डू दैट? लाइक कुछ पैसे दे रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो? व्हाट इज दैट यू डूइंग व्हिच इज गेटिंग यू सो मेनी अवार्ड्स राइट नाउ?
करण, जो आपने बोला पैसे दे रहे हो, अगर ये पैसे दे के लिए जाते हैं ना, एज आई सेड यू, InCraft is a part of DCJ group, right, which is around 6 decades old, very strong rooted Indian group. तो पहले भी खरीद लिए गए होते और आगे भी ना ये बुक कर लिए जाते हैं. See, awards are just a token of appreciation for all the hard work done by our dedicated partners, our strong team who are working day and night to make it happen. And just I'm a receiver of the award. And because I represent a group of people which involve all my stakeholders, including my family board, my customers, my supply partners like you, and the last but not the least, my strong, dedicated, performing team. Because what I believe, all the success are theirs, and any failure is mine.
ये कर दी बड़े लोगों वाली बात. अब इसमें फिलोसोफर ही कह सकते हैं, स्पिरिचुअल पार्ट कहीं ना कहीं बाहर आते ही है, तो वो ही आ रहा है. So before we kind of go for our last part of the this chat, I want to touch upon something which is very critical right now. The current situation which we're dealing with, coronavirus and the lockdown situation. If you can just share for all the viewers out there, how you handling it on a personal level. It's a big takeaway for you in a positive way for this lockdown. And at the same time, once this lockdown gets over, which is going to happen very soon now, the small people, the small window manufacturers, channel partners, how should they go about things and what should be that they should be looking at?
See, my one-line message to all the viewers, right? This is the lockdown, not the knockdown. Again, I'm repeating, this is the lockdown, not the knockdown. हम खत्म नहीं हुए हैं. At this situation, we must keep our mind ready to live with the COVID. And the first thing already, most of the people has already started their operations with a limited resources. Here, what we need to do after this COVID, we need to hold hand of each other very strongly to all our partners, our customer, our employees, our supply partner, because this is the time when everyone needs the support of each and everyone. You stay there wherever you are, be loyal to your partners. आज की सिचुएशन ये है ना करण, वी आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द, वो जो सर्कस की एक डोर है ना, एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के खड़े हैं. किसी का भी बैलेंस गिर गया ना, everybody will be fallen down. Talk to the partners, talk to all stakeholders, whether it's your employee, it's your supplier, or it's your customer. Find out a way, work for the win-win situation, maintain the heart-to-heart relationship, because what I believe, we are going to be bounced back very strongly. Just here we need to maintain our relationship with each and everyone with a very positive manner, and always by focusing our health and safety at the first, because as rightly this has been said by a lot of industrialists, this is the year of not the profit and loss, this is the year to save the life.
We surely will bounce back, and I think what you rightly said, it's important that all the fraternity people come together and start supporting each other. It's way beyond looking at just everyone as a competitor. We need to look at it as a fraternity, and if the industry does that, we all will do well by the end of it for sure. No doubt on that part. Sir, just the last one for you, which I keep asking everyone because of the knowledge and the experience that all of you have had now. At this position, being the CEO of InCraft, what's the next level or next thing that you look at for yourself as a role that you want to play? And at the same time, what is the kind of a legacy? It's still very early. I mean, you're going to be having long years in InCraft, hopefully. That's all I would like to say. But what's the kind of a legacy that you would like to leave behind, or you want everyone in the fraternity to know Avnish Singh by?
See, there are the 4 pillars: speed, trust, loyalty, and heart-to-heart relationship. These are the 4 things for which is the my principle. This is there in my all my actions. Even I had developed all these 4 principles across my team, and that's what I would like to be known for.
Well, kept it simple because that's how he likes to be. And he doesn't like to talk too much about all these things. He likes his work to do the talking. With that, I'd like to end this with you, sir. Thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you for sharing some of your personal thoughts and letting the personal side come out more than just talking about InCraft and only InCraft itself.
Thank you. Thanks, Karan. Thanks for bringing me to this really a very fantastic show, which touched a lot of the personal fronts as well. Really, thanks from my side to all the viewers. Stay safe, stay connected, maintain heart-to-heart relationship with all your stakeholders. Jai Hind.
But before we let you go, I would just want you to kind of end it for us. While I'll do my ending, but I want you to end it with a poem. So I give you 10 seconds to think of while I'm just going to end the show from my side. Well, guys, this is it for our this episode with Avnish Singh Vasen. We're going to have one last poem from his side, but as he rightly said, stay connected, stay positive, and things will turn around. दिन है, शाम हुई, रात हुई, लेकिन फिर सवेरा वापस होगा, and we all will bounce off from this current situation that we all are dealing with. And once again, sir, let's have the last poem from your side.
Yeah, Karan, this is a very suitable poem for the current situation. This is to all the viewers, whoever is viewing this thing. भंवर में है भले कश्ती, भंवर में है भले कश्ती, छिड़ी है जंग राहों से। भंवर में है भले कश्ती, छिड़ी है जंग राहों से, हमें तो बांधना है ज्वार का ज्वर इन्हीं हाथों से। जहां पे सख्त हो मिट्टी वहीं उगना मेरे साथी, जहां पे सख्त हो मिट्टी वहीं उगना मेरे साथी, समय की मार सह लेना नहीं रुकना मेरे साथी, समय की मार सह लेना नहीं रुकना मेरे साथी। That's it. Jai Hind.
It'll be wrong for me to add more. That's how we like to end this show, at least. Thank you so much for watching us.